Please click on the subscribe button for more videos and the bell icon for the notification.
Hello YouTube, this is Gopal from Speed Freaks DIY, and today we are going to do an unusual unboxing of Cadbury's Dairy Milk Silk. It says it has 20 premium miniatures, consist of 4 different types, that is classic chocolate, sea salt, butterscotch and almond, and I guess it costs around 450 rupees. So let's see what we have in here. So this is how we open it. Alright, so I have removed the plastic. Now let's see how to open the box. I think we need to slide it, and this is what we have inside. This is tray-like. So this is the box, and these are the 4 different types of chocolate in it. Let me open the box and see. So guys, this is how the packet looks after opening it. So you have 4 different types in it, and you have 5 pieces of each chocolate. And if you can see, they have a very different, unique and attractive colors to it. So the first one is the almond, packed in a green shiny pack, and the packing looks absolutely gorgeous. And you have some code for these packs, and you also have the pack date on it. And so it's not that once you open the pack you have to finish it off. It's like the other celebration packets you get, where you have different packets of Cadbury's packed in different small packets. And let's look at the other. I don't think so I have ever seen Dairy Milk Butterscotch Silk in a store. Usually I think it's usually a new flavor designed specifically for this gifting purpose. And it says Dairy Milk Silk Butterscotch, and packed in a nice dark yellow packet. The third one is in a blue packet, and it says Cadbury's Dairy Milk Silk Sea Salt. This is another unique flavor that I have never seen, so definitely I am going to taste it and see how it tastes. And this is a classic chocolate that you usually get in the market, and it's packed in a different color altogether. It's a violet color with some linings on all the packages. Alright, and this is a golden box which it comes in, and it's nicely packed, and usually for gifting purpose, like I mentioned, you can carry it around if you want to gift it to someone. It looks really premium. It's not the usual celebrations pack that you have. And I guess this is the tray that you can also remove it from the box, and if you want you can use this box for some other purpose. And also this tray, once you finish the chocolates, you can use this tray for keeping some other light stuff if you want to. And this is the tray. This goes in like this here, and you have all the information on the back of the pack. So if you can see, they have mentioned what each flavor contains, like rich and cream chocolate, the classic silk experience for the classic. The sea salt says fine waves of creamy sweet silk infused with tiny salt surprises. And then we have the butterscotch. It says crunchy bites of toffee enveloped by soft cream chocolate. And then we have the almond that says fine pieces of almonds wrapped in silk swirls of smooth chocolate. So that's it guys for today, and if you have any comments, please post it on the video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.